Hey everyone! Brace yourselves! You're about to see chaos at its finest. Today's episode will make you question everything. Truth time. Met coworkers like this? Let's jump in!
Vas-y, fais ça, regardez. Regardez. Moi. C'est une dingue, alors que moi ça marche.
Un jour je serai le meilleur dresseur. Watch out!
Life does not. Oh my God.
Huh?
Bro came prepared.
تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا
Mais vous le voyez, certains ne perdent pas leur voilier ici à Redon malgré les circonstances.
0% language, 100% understand.
No right turn there. Up.
Wait.
O kurwa! Huh?
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at? Bro had the whole parking lot and locked on the only bike there.
On a year-to-date basis, and I keep pointing out that.
Fast and Furious, Bicycle Edition.
You stupid!
Easy! I bet this guy's about to fall. Oh no!
Have you ever heard of
Nope.
Oh my God!
J'ai acheté un halter pour muscler ceci. Vous allez suivre mes sessions de musculation avec moi. Allez, c'est parti.
Oh my God.
Shit, man, you alright?
A beautiful bunch. Alright, banana.
Oh my god! Oh my god, did I really?
Task failed successfully.
Huh?
Az ajtót észes, testvére. Mi a fasz? Az szép. Már elkezdti tartani azért. Birke.
Ez is lehet.
De legalább rágtam most az ablakról.
Look, this is how we should all be in society. All together, all united. Without fights or arguments.
Mr. George, I'm recording this video for you, Mr. George, because the new guy that you're hiding is no good, Mr. George.